Right, getting the front wheel off. I don't think you actually have to, but I feel that it's better to remove the front brake caliper and tie it up. I've used a bit of fencing wire to keep it there. There's a bracket that fits here and on the caliper so that you can, connect it to here, mount it. That was the word I was looking for. And also here. And the axle. Okay, you undo it on this side. There's a clamp with a 17mm bolt and nut holding it all together. Not sure about torque settings, but as I've said before, I am not going to tell anyone torque settings. You can get them from the manual for your particular bike. This, points to note though, is a left-hand thread. So you've got to turn it as though you're doing it up. And this amazing little bit of kit that my neighbour made does the job of levering very well.